What's up, y'all? Dano here again. We're back on the YouTube page. Make sure you subscribe because you're gonna want to after you see how we smoke this chub. Chub is just a big old piece of bologna. We make a Dano's honey mustard. We're gonna baste this bologna up and we're gonna smoke it for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and it's gonna be dang good, my friends.
Going to get a chub. There's the chub, weighing it up, getting the price. Ringing up the chub.
Oh yeah, $28.34.
We're smoking this bad boy.
First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the protection part off of the chub here. Now it's time to take your chub and we're gonna score it. We're gonna put some 1/2-inch scores in it and we're gonna try and put it at like an angle. So once it's smoked, it's gonna be super pretty. And then we're gonna cut it in half so we actually get more smoke into it, because the first time we did it, we didn't cut it in half. And the inside was kind of just like bologna, but the outside was beautiful smoke flavor. So we'll take our chub and we'll set it down at the bottom of the cutting table. Basically, I'm gonna go in about a 1/2 inch. And I'm just gonna roll it. Try and keep that blade right there at that 1/2 inch. And we just keep repeating the same process and just pay attention to your line. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna flip it around. We're gonna go back the other way. Actually, what am I doing? Oh, now I'm gonna cut from this side. Thank you, Toothpick. Toothpick's always looking out for old Dano. Start at the bottom. There we go. You can see how we have it cut in pieces. See? Now we're gonna cut it down the middle so we allow the smoke to penetrate it more. That's how you cut your chub. Now we're just gonna take our knife and we're gonna put 2 scores down the middle. Just like so. It's gonna allow that smoke to really penetrate, so we're really not gonna have any of the bologna that's not penetrated by the smoke. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna make our honey mustard, but instead of using honey, we're using this beer syrup. It's actually a bourbon barrel stout, so it's got a beer bourbon barrel stout flavor to it. And when I make this sauce, I like to go 1/2 and 1/2 on my honey and on my mustard, but my beer syrup and my mustard. So there's our beer syrup, just regular old yellow mustard. You can get fancy if you want. So there's our yellow mustard. And then the last thing, a bunch of spicy Danos. So we're gonna open that top, we're gonna squeeze it just like this, and we're gonna pop it in there. It may look like a lot, but it's really not. Once we mix it in, it's gonna thicken the sauce up and allow it to really attach to this bologna. So we'll just start mixing it up. Now we just baste our bologna. So we got our nice consistency, as you can see. It's kind of thick. The Dano's thickens it right up for us. And we just start basting. And basically, we'll just baste the flat side here and we'll put it on the grill and then we'll start smoking, basting the other side. That honey mustard kind of seeping in the cracks. It's gonna be good. Oh baby. Check it out, you guys. Look how beautiful that looks. We probably could have smoked it maybe a little longer, but I think it's looking dang good. I can honestly tell you, I've never been more excited about bologna in my life, or a chub, whatever you want to call it. If you hadn't subscribed to our YouTube yet, make sure you go hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. I'm telling you what, this is so good. I already had a sample earlier. This will make you want to eat bologna every day. Look at this, I'm gonna flip it over. Look at this juice when I push it together. Oh, that Dano's flavor, the beer syrup, the mustard. Look at that stuck right to the grill right there. Oh my goodness. That is serious, y'all. Wow. Wow. All right, you guys, we already cut into it, but look at this. Look, watch this. Yum, yum, get you some. It was actually supposed to be more of a smoke ring, but we ran out of time and we ran out of smoke. So, but I'm telling you what, this little piece right here, that right there with that mixture, we've done this before. This is the best bologna I've ever had in my life. I've actually never been this excited about bologna. Oh my goodness. Seriously. That honey mustard is hard to beat. Seriously, y'all. All we do here is we keep bringing great flavor to great things. Well, we say great things, it's a piece of bologna, but you know what? It's some dang good bologna. Take my word for it, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, give us a comment. Let us know what you think, especially if you got some Danos. Go out there, get you a chub, and smoke it. Keep sprinkling. See you next time. What's up, y'all?